I'm going to show you a great way to use this amazing potent FACEbiotics with 24 hours hydration. Really amazing for your skin, it glides on so nicely. So of course what we do is we start at the heart, at the thymus, add a pump and a rub over the collarbones. And what you're doing is just opening up so that fluid has somewhere to flow. So right there, over the collarbone with your deep breaths. Now we're going down the sides of the, behind the ears, down the throat. Got those lymph nodes down here. And just rubbing down. Deep breathing, and we get this amazing stuff. And just a tiny bit, like really little bit. Okay, now going down the throat. You can feel any lumps, blockages, anything that needs to be smoothed out, just rub down. And along that jawbone, right along there. Just get some FACEbiotics moisturiser on your whole face. So down the throat, along that jawbone, along the chin, right there, right under that cheekbone, under the eyes, above and below the brow, and you're just smoothing out and running down. Got those lymph nodes there, so you've pushed everything out, and then you're just running, draining down there and down behind your ears as well. Really get into that tissue behind the ears and along your skull, and just push down. And you're always deep breathing, and it's so good for your skin. It's deeply hydrating. That lymphatic massage, it's so relaxing, and this would be great. Do this with your mum, your daughters, your grandma, whoever, your sisters. It's pamper time, self-care time. Get into those ears, rub down those ears, right around. Over again, and take your time with this. You can feel in there the gap in the nose, the sinuses. Push down, out everywhere. Amazing, so good for your skin. And you take care and have a great Mother's Day.